Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet essential tip for business owners: how to add your bank details directly into your invoices in Zoho Books. This ensures your clients can make payments directly to your account, making your invoicing process smoother than ever. By the end of this video, you'll be able to update your invoices in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Access Zoho Books. First, open your browser and go to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, click on the sign in button and enter your login credentials. If you prefer, you can also use your Google account to log in quickly. Navigate to Settings. After logging in, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access all the customization options for your Zoho Books account. Select PDF templates. Inside Settings, you'll see an option called PDF Templates. This is where you manage the look and feel of your invoices. Click on it and you'll see all the available invoice templates. Choose your template. Scroll through the templates and pick the one that matches your business style. Once you find it, click Use This to start customizing it. This will allow you to add all the important details, including your bank information. Add your bank details. Now, focus on the Other Details section of your invoice template. Click on it, and a customization menu will appear. Here, you can enter your bank account number, bank name, and any other payment details you want your clients to see. Make sure everything is accurate, because this is how your clients will transfer payments directly to you. Save your changes. Once you have entered all your bank details, don't forget to save the template. Now, every invoice you generate using this template will automatically include your banking information, making it super convenient for your clients. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank details to your invoices in Zoho Books. It's a simple tweak that can save you time and streamline payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Zoho Books tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.